Web development and data science are the trending topics. We got you covered on both with our courses on web development and with our best-selling Power BI course. And today, I'm very excited to announce our brand new course on Tableau Desktop. Tableau Desktop is the main competitor of Power BI, and in this course, you will learn all you need to work on your own projects in Tableau Desktop. The course will start at the absolute basics, so we will learn how we can connect Tableau Desktop to different data sources, how we can work on rows and columns, how we can apply filters, and how we can combine information from different tables in one single table. We'll then continue with the data analysis and visualization. This means, of course, we will build different visuals in Tableau Desktop, but we'll also explore all core features Tableau Desktop has to offer. This means we will have a look at calculations, level of detail expressions, parameters, bins, sets, and a lot more. We'll conclude the course with dashboards and stories. These help us to organize our visuals in a well-structured and user-oriented way. So this is what this course has to offer. Take the chance, jump on board. You can find a link with a special discount in the video description and explore the amazing world of Tableau Desktop. What are you waiting for?